I'm in the middle of remodeling my bathroom, and I discovered this. What has to be one of the worst electrical wiring jobs ever. This switch box was just put in the wall, not screwed to anything at all, and there's nothing to prevent the wires from coming out. No staples, nothing. But it gets even worse. Up here, we have wire nuts just in the wall, no box, nothing. And this wire here was just below the surface of the wall board, so if you drove a nail in and you were in the wrong spot, you'd be guaranteed to hit the wire. And then we have these random knob and tube wires that aren't connected to anything that go over to this main wire here, where they're just spliced in and taped up. And then the main wire goes up top here, where it's connected to absolutely nothing. I'm just going to rip this whole damn thing out and rewire it down to the junction box in the basement. It'll be all new wire. Here I got the new wire run with the boxes properly anchored to the framing and the wire stapled in place so it can't come loose. And I have a box for the light. Before, they just had wire nuts in the wall for the light. There wasn't even a box. And I'm using a 12 gauge wire here, even though this is only a light, because it is controlled by a 20 amp breaker. I got the new switch in, and I got the wires connected to power down at the junction box in the basement. And this old wire up here is now completely abandoned. I put in a temporary light here until I can get the walls up, and then put in a vanity light here. But now the light works, and that's how you fix one of the worst wiring jobs ever.